Let's talk about food and beverage suggestive sellings. Let me take you through. Objective of this course to explain what is suggestive selling, to identify the purpose of suggestive selling, to learn what we can suggest to a guest. These are all techniques, and the server have to really remember these by heart, because first of all it will make your job easy. Secondly, guests will feel easy to interact with you. When they are talking with you, when they are consulting you, they feel at ease because you know the product, you know the in-house knowledge, you are able to explain. And even if something is out of the menu, it is only natural that the customer sometime speak out of the menu. So that way you can suggest, yes, I have it, yes, I don't. Or I can get you from the next restaurant within the same building. Or probably let me check with my chef. Let me check with my manager. All these things are only but natural. But again, if you have the confidence, if you are speaking with a customer, direct on the face, having eye contact, you will make the best of your usage. To identify how to express yourself. Expressing is art. As I already said, you please wait to interact. Never speak to the customer soon as they come, because they may be having some worry, maybe they are haggard, maybe they are bothered, maybe they came to you in difficult circumstances, maybe something was not right with them, but they only came for meal. So you need to allow them little bit of time, let them to get set into their chair, let them have few minutes when they are holding the menu, and maybe before you could go to them, they will call you, they will tell you, please come and get my order. What do you have today? What is the specials today? What do you recommend? All these questions are but natural. Your customer will ask that. And if you are ready, if you are prepared, you will make the best use. And you have to practice suggestive selling. See, all the customer do not have the same temperament. All the customer are not listening type. All the customers are not as cool as we think. So you need to read the facial expression. You need to sense how the customer is feeling. Accordingly, you interact. And always give a pause between some time. That will show respect towards the customer. And you can feel all these things when you are sitting as a customer. Because when you are sitting as a customer, you can feel how the server is behaving, how the server is speaking, how attentive the server is. That is why most managers take most time to train the service team. Because once the service team is trained, when they are ready to go on the floor, there is less headache for the manager, for the supervisor. Because the team already know what to do. They know their limitation. They know their boundary, what they can say, what they cannot say. And something that you cannot do, of course, you will engage your supervisor.